Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this therapist and wellness professional manager platform, which is MassageBook. So to get started, MassageBook is a popular platform designed to help massage therapists and wellness professionals manage their business with ease. It offers online booking, client management, soap note, and automated reminder, and even a marketing tools all in one place. Many users like how simple it is to set up and use, which make it a great choice for solo therapists or small clinic who want everything organized in one system. On the downside, some users report occasional syncing issues, limited customization, and minor glitches with update. While these aren't deal breakers for most, they can be frustrating. It can be frustrating if you rely heavily on integrations or advanced features. Overall, MassageBook is a solid, affordable option that covers the essential wellness, though larger practices may want some things more customizable than this. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.